Hi everyone, we're going to demonstrate 3 ways in which you can maximize your recovery with the shoulder sleeper pillow. Finding the perfect fit for you is important to us. If you're 5'11" or taller, we recommend the size large. If you're 5'10" or shorter, we recommend the size small. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reference our sizing guide, or you can contact our customer support listed down below.
Switching to sling for your shoulder sleeper pillow for around the house and getting ready for bed in a few easy steps. First, sit on the side of a bed, an ottoman, or armless chair so nothing gets in your way. If you need a pillow during a transition to support your arm, please do so. First, take off your sling as your medical provider told you how to. Nice and slow, you can drop your sling on your ground. Next, let's make sure you grab your strapless shoulder sleeper on your non-surgical side. Make sure the waist strap is on the right side. You're just gonna slowly lift your arm and slide the pillow up. While you're doing that, make sure your wrist is in the wrist strap. Once you're in this position, nice and tucked into your armpit, you're gonna grab the arm strap, you're gonna put it in nice and secure. Once you're here, you're just gonna easily reach behind you, or you can ask a spouse or a friend to do so. You're just gonna bring it around, strap it in. Now you're locked in. When you're trying to go to bed, all you have to do is lay down on your non-surgical side, roll onto your back, and whether you want to sleep on your back or your side, you're locked in and ready to do so. When tightening and loosening the adjustable waist strap, the clip does it all. If you pull the clip closer to your pillow, you will tighten it. When you push it farther away, you will loosen it.
When looking at the adjustable waist strap laid out, if you would like a tighter fit, all you have to do is take the clip and pull it away from the pillow, like so. If you would like a looser fit, all you have to do is take the clip and pull it towards the pillow. If you feel that this is not enough room for you, please feel free to contact us and we'd be happy to provide you with an adjustable extender. All you have to do is take the soft Velcro side and adhere it to the hard Velcro, like so. And you have your adjusted waist strap.